What's up, guys? Good to see you. Jason Whitrock here. We got a leg day coming up, baby. I'll tell you what, I don't know if y'all are crazy or what, but by far the most requested workout is leg day. So I'm gonna take you through my leg day today. I'm gonna show you all the exercises, give you some valuable tips. If you guys want my full workout program, the link is in the description below. You can also type in the code STRONG to save some money on that. I'm excited today. I'm pumped up. I'm feeling good. Right now I'm starting off my leg workout with a little bit of cycle bike. So the objective of this is just to pass blood through the muscle. It's kind of like an active warm-up. I'll be on this for about 10 minutes and then I'll see you guys at the first exercise. I love the Smith machine. It's a great way to keep your form intact. My squat form is not perfect, all right? Squat is actually a weakness of mine, so I really like using the Smith machine. It kind of covers me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna superset a squat with walking lunges. I'm gonna do 5 sets. For the squat, I'm gonna do 8 to 10 reps, and when I do the walking lunges, it's 10 steps down and 10 steps back. Hey, one thing I want to say about these squats really quick. I see a lot of people who just bounce up and down, up and down, up and down. When I go down, I come out of the pocket and I squeeze my glutes together. But at the top of every single rep, I'm flexing my glutes, I'm squeezing the hell out of my quads, and I'm flexing everything to get the maximum contraction, and then I go back down. Blood starting to pump, feeling good. You know, I'm fighting a war right now. The battle is raging on. It's a war with myself. Every time I come to the gym, man, I'm going to war. I literally think of everything as war. These exercises, these are just weapons that I've accumulated over the years and years and years of training. And I'll whip these weapons out and I'll destroy myself with them. And I'm a perfectionist at using them, every one of them. So the name of the game is really, how bad can you beat yourself up? With good form, keeping certain things in mind. You got to protect yourself at all costs. But you know, people are always asking, can you build muscle on keto? Can you do this? Can you do that? And I'll watch their training, or I'll look at their workout program, and I know for a fact they're not pushing themselves. And I know for a fact you're not going to get the most out of yourself. You're not going to reach your full potential unless you're willing to take yourself out of your comfort zone. You're willing to fail in here. Nobody wants to see failure. They don't want people to see them fail. But I don't give a shit. I want you to see me fail inside this gym, because I know the more I fail in this gym, the more successful I'm going to be. The more my body's going to adapt, the stronger I'm going to get. Failure is a requisite for success outside this gym, and the same is true inside this gym. All right, on to the next exercise. We got another superset here. So what I'm gonna do is a dumbbell sumo squat, and I'm gonna superset it with bench jumps, straddle bench jumps, whatever you wanna call it. So look, here's the important things to keep in mind. With these dumbbell sumo squats, you're going sumo because you're wide stance, toes out, all right? Like this, keep them out. You wanna keep all the weight on your heels. I'm holding the weight just below my stomach here, right in between my legs. Keep your shoulders back, chest up, slowly lower down, and then when you come up, you're flexing your quads and your glutes at the same time. Just remember to keep your chest up. So as soon as we're done with that, we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 here. So I'm gonna hit 10 there, then I'm gonna straddle a bench here. You guys be very careful with this. If you can't do 10 reps of this, just do as many as you can till failure. You're gonna go down, jump up, and there, like that. Yeah, here we go. final set here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is a drop set. Bump the intensity up. So I'm gonna do a double drop set. So I'm gonna go really heavy, shoot for like 6 to 8. As soon as I fail, I'm going down about 10, 20 pounds to failure again, dropping one more time. One thing you wanna keep in mind when you do something like this is to keep the form under control. It's good to push yourself, but don't break yourself. All right, guys, we are now going to attack the hamstring. So we got a regular lying hamstring curl here. We're gonna do another superset. So we're gonna superset this with an isometric half squat hold. All right, so when you're doing these hamstring curls, some things to keep in mind. Make sure this pad is above your ankle, okay? And also make sure you come all the way up and flex it at the very top and then slowly control the way down. So we're gonna do that, and as soon as we're finished with that, we're gonna do our isometric squat hold. So you're just gonna come here. All the weight's gonna be on your heels, chest up, and you're just gonna hold here for about a 20, 30 second count. We're gonna do 3 sets of that. Last set on this leg curl here, so you guessed it, we're gonna do a drop set. We're gonna go heavy. Guess what, guys? We got another superset. So now we're gonna attack the quads. We got a regular leg extension machine here. Some things to keep in mind. I like keeping my toes pointed up, right? Like this. I don't like going up and down with my toes pointed down. So keep your toes pointed up. And I like to, when I come up, squeeze as hard as I can and flex your quads, not just going like this. Yeah, I'm coming up, squeezing, controlling the way down, like that. So listen, so we're gonna do 3 sets of this. After you're done with that, you're gonna come up here. This is called an isometric quad flex. All I'm gonna do is flex my quads as hard as I possibly can and hold it for 10 seconds. I'm talking, you gotta squeeze the living shit out of your quads and hold it for 10 seconds. 3 sets of that, here we go. Surprise, surprise, we're gonna do another double drop set because why not? All right, guys, that's a wrap on this leg day workout. I feel victorious. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna come out with a lot more workout programs. If you want my full workout routine, I've got a kick-ass program. It's in the link in the description below. Use the code STRONG for $5 off. Guys, keep pushing yourself. We are all in this together, and it feels good. We are on top, man. So, as always, keep up the good work and much love.